So there are a lot of different kinds of bikers out there.
And a lot of different types of motorcycles to ride.
But no matter what you're riding, you might have the same problem as us. Well, if you've seen our videos, you might know
that it's
the saddle. In my opinion, it sucks.
While we've been really satisfied with the aftermarket choices we made on our Road King and our Dyna,
we've been a little bit overwhelmed and confused when it comes to the Goldwing. So on our never-ending search for the perfect seat,
we decided to check out the Russel Day Long seat and factory. What are we up to today, Mikey?
getting a seat for the Goldwing.
Well, we're going to look at seats for the Goldwing here at Russel Day Long Saddlery. Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
Help one and we can get jobs.
So I've heard a lot about the RDL seats and was really looking forward to checking out the factory.
Yeah, people do swear by their comfort of their custom seats. The front door was open, so we just walked right in, started to take a look around, and we were immediately greeted, which I love from a customer service angle.
This must be the shop manager.
So walking in, we were really impressed with the many color choices and type of materials and finishes you could choose from.
And in what seemed like no time, the shop manager and his assistant were quick to show us the foam, mold, and underlying structure of the Russel Day Long seat.
So I could immediately tell, just by looking at this, how incredibly comfortable this was going to be compared to the stock seat.
You can totally see how the seat is sectioned in a way that it sort of, cups and wraps around your butt. It sort of like cuddles your butt as you ride down the road. Oh, you like that, huh?
I do.
Oh, okay. All right.
So even without the butt cuddling, the craftsmanship on these seats was really impressive.
But, see what I did there, Mike?
Very clever, Renee.
But even though we were there shopping specifically for our Honda, their website is full of different designs, different ideas, different, leathers, etc. Lots of choices for Harleys, Yamahas, Triumphs. I mean, virtually like every bike maker out there, they've done a seat for.
I dare say every bike maker out there.
So visiting the Russel Day Long factory in person gave us a lot to think about, didn't it, Mike?
Yeah, it really did, because up until this moment, we were really pretty much sold on the Corbin seat.
Right, we did a factory tour there as well, and we've got a video about that if you guys want to see more, but Corbin saddles, Corbin seats have a different kind of reputation, right, Mike?
Yeah, definitely. The Corbin seat is a lot more firm.
I wonder if it's like mattress shopping, where some people prefer a firmer seat. Some people prefer a softer seat. Do you think that's possible?
I just had a genius idea.
What's that?
What if we had the dial up, stiffen it up and, number seat.
Like the sleep number
seat. The sleep number seat.
Wait, we're going to have to patent that.
Now, I want you guys to promise nobody steals my idea.
That's good, Mike. But seriously, both companies, both Russel and Corbin, both have a ride-in service as well as a ship-in service.
That's correct.
Regardless what you choose, at both companies, they're totally made to measure for you.
And as if we weren't confused enough, there's also the Saddleman Road sofa to choose from.
Right. Now, we know for a fact that Saddleman makes comfy seats. I mean, a bunch of us who have Harleys have them on our bikes. Now, this is a more off-the-rack choice, right?
Absolutely.
Feel free to check out our install video to see what we mean.
RDL, Corbin, Saddleman.
Let us know in the comments what you guys think about these seats.
Talk to you soon.
Catch you later.